Hi, this is Ricardo, the Realtor. Welcome to Naples Island. Just wanted to show you what's going on here at the beginning of the Christmas season here in Naples Island, Long Beach, California. Today you're just looking at the homes and they look like they're pretty much normal, but they're not. Right now what they're doing is everybody's going through the great transformation of decorating their homes and their trees for the Christmas season here in Naples Island. We do have our boat parade coming up on the 21st of December this year. It's going to be fantastic. It starts around 6 o'clock p.m. So get down here early and enjoy the festivities where boats will be decorated from top to bottom with lights and people will be dressed up, and it's just a great activity here on Naples Island in Long Beach. Come on down and give me a call if you have any questions about this or any other events happening down here in Long Beach. Again, this is Ricardo, the Realtor. Enjoy. Welcome to Naples Island. Naples is located on the southeast portion of Long Beach, California, adjacent to Belmont Shore, only a bridge away. During the Christmas season, Naples residents get together and come up with a theme to decorate their homes with for every year. We will be having our Christmas parade, boat light parade, every December. Come on down and enjoy the beauty of the Christmas boat parade here on Naples Island. Naples Island is truly a hidden gem here on the Southern California coast. The properties and the homes here are beautiful to say the least. Why travel to Venice, Italy when you have Naples Island here locally in Long Beach? We have summer concerts, pancake breakfast, and many other events throughout the year. If you haven't been to Naples Island, then you better put it at the top of your list to come on down and pay us a visit. We have shopping and award-winning restaurant dining here on the island. For all your real estate needs and more, call Ricardo, the Realtor. Thank you.